This review is of Simply Nature organic, non-GMO chicken broth. It's fat-free, USDA organic, American Masters of Taste Gold Superior Taste Award, I guess. Is there anything else? Not there. Nutrition facts and ingredients. This is... Okay, and you can make white chicken chili with this recipe on the back. Oh, cool. Alright, so let's taste this. Got it open. Oh, there we go. My cat's immediately interested because he loves playing with these things. He just loves playing with them. Alright, so... That's actually more flavorful than some of the other chicken broth brands I've tried. Of course, it also has 490 milligrams per cup. So that would explain, of sodium, I mean. So that would probably explain why it's more flavorful. But yeah, it's tasty. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.